Hi, welcome back. Hi, this is Mayur Sampath once again. Thank you for joining in once again. So we are going to analyze a few of the stocks. Let me share the screen with you. And as usual, disclaimer, this is always going to be a disclaimer. Always going to be having a disclaimer in place. Chalo. So just to be on the safer side, somebody coming in new, sharing the screen with you. And the disclaimer coming in. Okay, so here's the disclaimer. Future option and stock trading is a highly risky activity. Somebody has sued one of the trainer. अरे बोलते हैं कि यार तुम्हारे वजह से हमारा लॉस बहुत बड़ा हो गया. कभी भी किसी और के वजह से लॉस बड़ा नहीं होता है. जो लॉस होता है वो अपनी गलती के वजह से होता है. And that is where the problem starts, you know. Can't hear you. Boys, everybody can hear me? आपको आवाज आ रही है? Anybody? Can you hear me? Okay. So guys, those who are unable to hear me, please log in again. और कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूं मैं. You will have to log in again. ठीक है? So आपको log in करना पड़ेगा फिर से. Please log in again. Okay. So disclaimer हो गया. Okay. Most important thing as far as I am concerned, you know, disclaimer तो देता ही देता हूं. But this is what is very important for me. Every man takes out of life just exactly according to what he puts in. As a farmer, just आप सोचो, farmer अगर खेत को में अंदर बीज नहीं डालेगा तो वो फार्मिंग कर सकेने वाला है क्या? वो फसल काटने वाला है क्या? पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. So guys, you need to understand that you have to give enough time, and the learning part has to be there, which is what is going to give you the money. Okay, very important that you have to compulsory. Sorry, I need to mute you guys. Just excuse me. Too much of background noise is there. You can. Thank you. Okay. So a man pays with time and money for the knowledge and continues to study, never gets to a point where he thinks he knows all there is to know, but realize that he can still learn, is the man who will make a success in speculation or in investment. Dr. Shah, good morning, sir. Welcome. After a long time, we are seeing you. Okay, so nobody should be losing money in the market. Guys, after a long time, people were telling me options without Greek. Options without Greek हमको सीखना है. And this time we are starting on the Monday, options without Greek. Somebody would love to join in, please do join in. Morning sessions will be there. Okay, so that everything is आराम से आप अपना दूसरा काम कर सकोगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. The timings and everything will be given to you, and we will be also recording this particular session so that in case you miss this, you can always go and watch this particular recording. So let me again go back to the small stocks which we were looking at. Let me share the screen. Okay, the screen is shared with you, every one of you. So guys, just think about it. 42 rupees wala 56 rupees जा रहा है. That means almost a move of 12-13%. प्लस रुपीज. सो 40 रुपीज वाला 10-12 रुपया दे रहा है. सो 40 इंटू 2 80 रुपीज वाला कितना रुपया दिया बोलो. एंड थिंक इन टर्म्स ऑफ नाउ परसेंटेज. तो जस्ट इन दिस इज अ वीकली चार्ट. 1 वीक, 2 वीक, 3 वीक, 4 वीक्स. 4 वीक में 20 to 25% का रिटर्न देता है स्टॉक को. इफ यू डू नॉट स्टार्ट डूइंग इन एंड आउट, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेक मनी फॉर श्योर. ओके, आपको अंदर बाहर करना ही पड़ेगा. एंड दैट इज हाउ द गेम इज प्ले. यस, इफ इट स्टार्ट्स मूविंग अप, प्लीज टेक वन मोर एंट्री, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. बट देन वो 20-25% का प्रॉफिट मार्जिन यू आर गिविंग इट बैक टू द मार्केट. डजंट मेक सेंस एट ऑल. Like we again and again I am saying this. This is one of the stock which we was there. Network 18 और एक स्टॉक जो हम लोग ने बात की थी. Okay, just think about it. A proper example of 20 to 25% move, strong move. And this is the weekly chart. Again coming back to a weekly demand zone. Price going up, money is made. So 15-17 रुपया वाला 26 रुपया हो गया. So again think in terms of percentage. And this is what you need to again and again look at it. Now there are few stocks like pharma stock. This also stock I had specifically given in my group. Okay, where it is, right? 184 to 215 the price was dancing, and then the up move started. Let me show you this screen. See this, going from a demand zone to a supply zone, and a strong up move giving almost 70% in just 1 month. 70%. Now this is where you are going to make money. This is where the money is there. So somebody says market में पैसा नहीं है, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मार्केट में 101% पैसा है. 101% पैसा आपको उसमें से लेने को आना चाहिए. There is a system which we I keep on pushing that particular system, a trade plan. Okay, just taking 100 points in Bank Nifty. That's it, 100 points in Bank Nifty, and that is what you will need. 100 points in Bank Nifty is what you will need to take home. Now, few of the scripts which have been, front runners like Reliance. Okay, which was going really strong. Okay, and then the price coming down. Okay, so one more levels आपको ये बताता हूं मैं. Let me take myself on the right hand side. Okay, so just to show you an example. Okay, this was the example which was given to you. कि ये प्राइस अगर गैप डाउन खुलता है, तो देन दिस बिकम्स एन व्हाट, इवनिंग स्टार. ये पैटर्न एक रेगुलर पैटर्न है जो घड़ी घड़ी आता है. दिस कॉल एज द इवनिंग स्टार पैटर्न. ओके, एंड दिस इज व्हाट द एडवांटेज यू गेट व्हेन यू लर्न दिस राइट. जस्ट चेक दिस आउट. चेन स्क्रिप्ट अगेन, गोइंग बैक टू Reliance. Evening star pattern coming in, and the price slowly shifting down. Now this is the levels which we had looked out, and it did touch our level of 1418. Even while there was a gap up opening, okay, this also opened with a gap. Okay, and in the morning sessions, while we were doing a class, I had specifically said, बॉस इसको हम ये जब तक ये कैंडल अगर ऊपर के साइड पे अगर नहीं जाने वाला है, तब तक प्राइस इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू कम डाउन, बिकॉज 1250 में माल मिलने वाला है. यस और नो? right issue is at 1250 and the price right now is at almost 1600. So there is definitely going to be a small drop in the price. So here the drop actually had taken place with a gap down, giving a clear understanding of a 1 2 3 reversal, evening star. And just to give you a background of how the Fibonacci ratios, again and again I'm giving you, if you learn it right, that is the beauty. Just think about it. The Fibonacci ratios, the price not going above, okay, while the price not going above the 38% ka retracement and the price going down, down, down. And when the 1465 levels broke, the price went down further down. So guys, these are few of the stocks. और ये स्टॉक हमने कहां पे पिकअप किया है? Right at the bottom, 910 रुपए पे we have picked up this particular price, and the from 900 levels to 1600 levels, what is the percentage gain? What is the percentage gain? So you need to understand which are the stocks which are moving the market, which are the strong stocks which are moving the market, and you have to be in that particular stock rather than thinking, oh my god, mera kuch nahi hone wala hai wala thing. You know, the ups and downs will continue. Please understand, the best of best stocks also. Let me show you one more stock where in the ups and downs, well, everybody wants this particular thing in their particular kitty, but think about it, kitna up and down is happening. See this, from 675 going up till 900, again coming back again. See this evening star pattern, okay, coming down with a gap, price going down. And this is what keeps on happening. RBL bank ke bare mein, okay guys, are the banks open today? Yes, banks are open today, not a problem. I think so, banks are open today. Today is what? It is first, second, third Saturday. Second and fourth Saturday it is off. So today it is still there. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. RBL Bank. Somebody had asked for an RBL Bank. 900 रुपये से बेच रहा है, 900 रुपये से बिक रहा है. Okay. See the way 900 rupees से हम लोग बेच रहे हैं इसको. Okay. And now coming down to almost less than 300 rupees. One side down. One side down. अभी जब तक ये 450 नहीं तोड़ता है तब तक ऊपर जाने का मगजमारी है. Yes, the up and downs will continue for sure. लेकिन this is what the beauty is of the market is. See, in this, while the market was not doing anything and the price went up strong, coming right at our supply zone of 769, and from that particular level again going down to 250 levels odd. But the price, just think about it. वीकली में जाता हूं एंड मंथली में भी लेके जाता हूं आपको. ओके, a double bottom, double top happening right at the top. Okay, now अगर आप इन्वेस्टर भी हो, okay, then this is the place where you need to even exit. 40% के ऊपर drop हो गया, and then the price continuously keeps on going down, 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 down. Okay. एक आपको एक चीज आपको सिखाना है in terms of there is something called as a golden cross and a death cross. तो आपको ये एक वैल्यू एडिशन तो मेरे को देना ही देना है. ओके, सो 200 डेज के मूविंग एवरेज का डालता हूं एंड 50 डे के मूविंग एवरेज का डालता हूं. ओके, सो राइट नाउ इट इज ऑन इन द मंथली चार्ट. लेट मी टेक यू टू द डेली, वीकली एंड द डेली चार्ट. अभी देखिए, let me remove all this. I can always put it back, not a problem. Okay, so while price, ये दोनों को मैं एक को कलर चेंज कर देता हूं, so for you it becomes better. Okay, so the blue line, the black line is your the black line is your 200 day ka moving average, and the green line is the 50 day ka moving average. So while the price was not doing anything, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and only in the year 14 it started to move up. Now this is what we call this as a golden cross. This is called the golden cross. Okay, तो जब भी golden cross आता है तो you need to be aware of this golden cross, the price moving above the 50 and the 200-day moving average. Okay, and then the price moving up and आप देख लीजिए जहां पे वो golden cross आया, the price started to move up until where it has gone. Let me take you to the weekly charts now. So these are the weekly chart. From 103 went up to 104, 1400 रुपये तक ऊपर गया. Okay, and that is the beauty. 1400 रुपये पे ऊपर गया, almost a double top formation यहाँ पे हुआ. While the price came back, double top formation, price not now sustaining above this 1359 levels and slowly going down. Now here is what we see, the death cross. This is the death cross. This is the death cross. So this was the death cross, wherein the price starts to move below the 50 and 200-day के moving average के नीचे चला जाता है, and this is a weekly, so definitely very weak. And then price 800 रुपये वाला 250 रुपया 300 रुपया हो जाता है. तो इसमें कुछ नया नहीं है. Just refreshing the charts, removing all the tools for you to clearly see the death cross and the golden cross. So this is a weekly. Let me again show you the daily charts. Remove all the tools for you. Okay, so here you have the golden cross, where the price starts to move above the 50 and the 200-day moving average. ऊपर जाना शुरू हो जाता है. And see where our death cross came in. Where the death cross came in, right over here. कहां पे? Almost 1100-1200 के ऊपर death cross आ गया है. This is a daily, and then the price keeps on going down. Okay, again यहाँ पे फिर से reconfirm कर रहा है death cross, and the price comes continuously goes down. Now think about it यार, 1150 रुपये वाला stock coming down to almost 300 rupees. Now as an investor, think about it. आपका पैसा कहां पे जा रहा है? Now it is not only one stock which I am talking about. Okay, I can show you thousands and thousands of examples like this, wherein once the death cross comes in, okay, everything goes for a toss. कोई भी stock आप ले लो, you can take whatever stock you want to. Say let us take Suzlon, जो एक टाइम का everyone's favorite was there. Think about it, where it is gone. अभी 2 रुपया 60 पैसे पे आया. Yes, once upon a time we had this in 2014 also. We had this golden cross coming in, and we made the money 100%. 12 रुपये वाला 36 रुपया हो गया. Again, how many times the growth? And in just 1 year. यहाँ पे किसी ने बोला था अरे प्राइस भाग गया. This is what the money is all about. But you need to do in and out. अगर आप बाहर नहीं निकलते हो, आपका पैसा लॉक हो जाता है. And from 2014 onwards, again the chance was there, going back from 11 rupees, again going back to 30 rupees. 200 times, double, not even double, 3 times the money. 10 रुपया वाला स्टॉक 30 रुपया हो जाता है, तो डबल के ऊपर ही हो गया सर. तो now if you are not getting in and out, तो अभी जब ये 2 रुपया होगा, what you are going to do? So guys, you need to understand, अगर स्टॉक ने आपको बोल दिया है कि भाई निकलो भागो, तो भागने का ही होता है. अदरवाइज ये इन एंड आउट नहीं करोगे तो आपका पैसा परमानेंटली लॉक हो जाएगा एंड टेक्निकली बिकम्स जीरो। अभी इतने साल से अगर आप होल्ड करते हो, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट। वीकली में जाता हूं, वेयर इट हैज कम 140 टू 180 के आजू बाजू सेल आया है 2007 में, एंड राइट नाउ इट इज एट 7 रुपीज। is the stock performing? Okay, from where it has come, more than 400 plus. So anything which is going down, unless and until the strength is not there, just don't go and blindly buy something. नहीं तो पैसा लॉक हो जाएगा, इंटरेस्ट तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, वो पैसा धीरे 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 करके वो स्लो पॉइजन के माफिक आपका काम करेगा, एंड इट इज नॉट गोइंग, इट इज गोइंग टू अगेन एंड अगेन गिव यू द पेन। ओ नो, मेरे को चांस था, मैं क्यों बाहर नहीं निकला। आधा माल काटो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, फिर से माल मिलेगा, डोंट वरी, यू हैव टू जस्ट टेक अ कॉल। एक दलाली जाएगी, इससे ज्यादा तो कुछ नहीं जाने वाला है। जस्ट टेक अ कॉल, महंगा है तो महंगा खरीदो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। Okay, if it wants to go up, it will go up for sure. Just to give you one more example of stock which wants to go up, or nahi, again one all time favorite wala, let me show you all time favorite, once upon a time wala favorite. See this is a weekly chart. Okay, जब भी वो strong था, really went up almost going to 1200 levels, and यहाँ पे Ranbaxy को खरीदा and few other companies ने उसको खरीदा, तो the financials became really bad, and see the way it started moving up again, weekly में भी weak हो गया. Okay, and then the price coming right down at the monthly demand zone at 300 levels. This was the monthly demand zone, and a bullish engulfing coming in. This दो कैंडल का रिवर्सल is a bullish engulfing, and the price shooting up again 325 rupees wala going up till almost 500 rupees. So up move hai. Now people have, if the in and out is there, you are going to make money. If the in and out is not there, you know, you are going to get locked out. Just think about this daily chart mein. This is a daily chart. ओके, आपका डेथ क्रॉस कहां पे आया था? राइट एट 900,000 लेवल्स पे डेथ क्रॉस आया था। चलो 875 पे डेथ क्रॉस आ गया, एंड आफ्टर दैट उसने 875 देखा ही नहीं है। सो गाइस प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द डेथ क्रॉस एंड द प्राइस गोइंग अप छूट जाता है। Golden cross, price going up, 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 up. Death cross means you need to exit. एक बार के लिए exit करो, या आप at least 50% तो घर पे profit लेके आओ. Otherwise, it is not going to work for you. Whether it is एक all time favorite जो बहुत चर्चा में था, think about it. See a beautiful death cross coming right at the top, and you had got that option of getting out of the particular stock. Death cross coming at 350, now it is at 10 rupee. Why should it perform also? Something has gone wrong, terribly gone wrong, and that is why it is not performing. Yes, 101% weekly is definitely.
Mayur, you're discussing Abbott, you know. Sorry, I was on a phone call. You're discussing Abbott, you know.
This was a PC Jewelers. I will be discussing Abbott also. Not a
no,
problem.
no, sorry. I thought about Abbott. Something went wrong. You said because their tests are all false all over the world. Their 50% of their corona testing is all wrong. You see?
Right.
I thought that was you was flashing. Sorry, I was on a phone call, Mayur. Sorry.
No problem. No problem. Okay, so here we are. This is the Abbott ka thing, right at 1700. But you can see this on a daily chart. आपका golden cross कहाँ पे आया है? Even while you want to buy something which is costly, okay, the golden cross came right over here at 4755 levels के आजू बाजू, and from there the up move has taken place strongly. So even if you are buying something costly, it is still okay, because this golden cross rules will work for you. Okay, now price is really gone up very strong upper, and some news, yes, coronavirus ka gadbad is happening, and then the price moving down. अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Bearish engulfing, again a 1 2 3 coming in on the top, price unable to sustain above the all time high. Okay, so let me go to a weekly chart. क्या बोलने वाला है? Weekly में the last two candles, every time it is trying to go up, the price is getting beaten down. So अभी क्या कर सकते हो इसको? Fine, let it break the 17170 levels. Let it break 17170 level before we go out of this. Let it can then come down. Now see, यहाँ पे a strong drop था, लेकिन 50 का moving average काफी ऊपर था. Somebody was telling कि weekly is too far off, लेकिन ये देखिए, अगर मैं वीकली को फॉलो कर रहा हूं तो अनलेस एंड अंटिल 15864 तक तो आना ही चाहिएगा. अभी एवरी टाइम इट वांट्स टू गो अप, आई टेक इट अप. एवरी टाइम इट वांट्स टू गो अप, आई टेक इट अप. एवरी टाइम इट वांट्स टू गो अप, आई टेक इट अप. नाउ दिस इज वेयर आई वांट टू एग्जिट एक बार के लिए 17172. नाउ इफ द रिजल्ट्स हैव कम इन बैड, अगर ये गैप डाउन खुलता है, अगेन a golden nuggets which I keep on giving. Okay, now this is the scenario of this particular thing. Think about it. Is the price trying to go up or trying to go down? Okay, so unless and until अभी इसके ऊपर नहीं जाएगा तब तक ये कैपिंग हो गया. अभी व्हाट इट नीड्स टू ब्रेक 17,100 नीड्स टू ब्रेक दिस. लेकिन कल सुबह को मींस मंडे को अगर ये नीचे खुल रहा है, राइट, नीचे खुल रहा है, तो प्राइस वांट्स टू गो डाउन. नाउ हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट इट? जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड टू क्लियर दिस. For someone who has bought at the low level, for him it is perfectly all right. Somebody wants to buy this right now, not the right time to buy this at the extreme high. Think about this. If the price opens with a gap, I would not want to buy this stock for sure. So 17,619 के बाद में, if it wants to go down, I would look for it to go down below 17125 levels and then niche. Okay, see, the things which are good, they will definitely work. लेकिन अभी तक इसमें सेल नहीं है for sure. एक कैंडल और राह देखेंगे. On a daily chart, yes, प्लस हो ही रहा है, लेकिन ये जो कैंडल्स जो दिखा रही है मेरे को, ये कंफर्ट लेवल नहीं दे रहा है. सो आई कैन यूज वन ऑफ माय टूल्स, RSI, and if I can see a diversion, yes, the diversion is in place. The diversion is in place. See this, the price, while it is going up, RSI is going down. Okay, 50 के नीचे गया नहीं है, so the sell is not going to be that strong a sell. Okay, traders क्या ये traders के लिए नहीं है. Traders के लिए बहुत सारे other stocks which are there. You should always go for trader stocks, you know, where the money is there. The money is there. Trading stocks, हम लोग का Bajaj Finance the best, Bajaj Auto is there, Bajaj Finance is there, where the movements are there, the ups and down movements are there. This is the stocks which we would love to play around with. Okay, and These are the stocks which are going to give us the money also, our daily bread. I always say this, daily bread. Bajaj Finserv is there, Bajaj, where the movements are there. Now check this out. Now this has given us a wonderful move. While the price was being beaten down strongly, ये ऊपर का move हम लोग ने लिया हरामी, and we had taken this up. बहु 200-300 पॉइंट के ऊपर मिला, वापस नीचे आया, and like I said, एक्सेल शीट को देख लो, ओके, टाइम थीटा डीके आपको पैसा दे देता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, एंड विथ अ स्मॉल इन्वेस्टमेंट, technically not even an investment, you were actually having a margin, okay, or as a collateral. You can have your stock as a collateral margin, you can have nifty Bs as a collateral margin, and that is what you all need. And then you have to work on your systems. The price not dance, if it dance in between, the money is there for you. The money is there for you. So if I am getting out Monday, it is still fine. Money is there, 1 lakh rupiah on theta decay. We were tracking this when we were having the option ka class, and this is what the theta decay, this is how it actually works for our thing. And guys, you also need to understand, you can even play the silver game and the gold game also, right? So the technicals work in almost everything, whether you are playing the US INR. Let me show you the US INR ka thing. See, over here the sell was given at 76, and then it went down to this. Again, Fibonacci ratio is coming into picture, right? But the US INR now, the price trying to go up. Will it go up above this? Question mark. ओके, सो 75.95 के ऊपर जाएगा तभी हम लोग सोचेंगे, लेकिन अभी तो ये साइड में डांस कर रहा है, एंड यू कैन स्टिल मेक मनी आउट ऑफ दिस. सो गाइस, क्वेश्चंस, एनी क्वेश्चंस? ओपन फॉर क्वेश्चंस. मंडे स्ट्रेटेजी इज, मार्केट क्या कर रहा है अभी 2 दिन, क्या करने वाला है मार्केट? इट्स प्रेशर इज डाउन फॉर श्योर, कुछ नया तो आने वाला नहीं है. सो मंडे का स्ट्रेटेजी अभी बना के क्या फायदा? आपको बनाना है तो फ्राइडे को या बनाइए, या तो थर्सडे को बना सकते हैं. सो यू नीड टू चेक द ऑप्शन का चेन फॉर कहां पे ओपन इंटरेस्ट कहां पे है, एंड यू विल गेट अ फेयर आइडिया कि मार्केट क्या करने वाला है. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, ओनली टेक्निकल्स nowadays is not going to help you out. Also, you need to even learn the options, and options are the way to go forward, because unless and आप अगर खाली फ्यूचर्स लेके घर पे जाते हो एंड गैप डाउन खुल जाता है तो पूरा का पूरा अकाउंट साइज 0 हो सकता है. So you need to have some strategies in place, and that is what is going to give you the money. That is what is going to give you the money. One of the stock which gave us the money, our daily bread, Bajaj Finance. Once again, this is the Bajaj Finance ka thing. And other stocks, any other stocks you would like to discuss? Yes, view on parabolic move, silver entering. Yes, see, please understand, silver coming over here now, there is a 10 years का cycle. थोड़ा गड़बड़ करेगा, लेकिन I am looking silver in a different zone altogether. So this is my weekly. Okay, it is above the 50 and 200 day वीकली में स्ट्रांग हो गया है. Okay, and in monthly also it is gone crazy. So I am looking at silver to go high to around this levels of 51, 52. First target reaching to around 48 के आजू बाजू. So आज का दिन और एक दिन है जो थोड़ा और धक्का लगने का हिसाब है. Okay, once it breaks this 47,895, it will reach 49,510, going right up till 51, 52 levels. This is what I am looking at silver. Okay, this is, he has not completed the Kapka move, and if it completes the Kapka move, I am looking at somewhere around 56 levels. Dil mange more. Dil mange more. So maybe please understand, commodity market और equity market, अगर equity market नहीं चल रहा है तो gold and silver definitely is going to work for sure. We had a wonderful movement in gold also yesterday, so the pressure will be there in the equity market, but the gold and silver will definitely work. I thank you all for joining in. Option classes starting Monday, options without Greek in Hindi. ओके, मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि आपको अच्छी तरीके से समझा सकूं. गुजराती में भी also have tried out. थोड़ा गुजराती में भी गड़बड़ हुआ था, but still worked very nicely. Thank you all. Take care and we will see you again. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye. 1:1 જેનો બાકી છે, we can take it up, not a problem.
Yes, sir. We'll call you.
Thank you. Bye bye.